Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Today, hubby and I will be cooking chicken and waffles. Stay tuned. So, hubby and I are going to tag team this whole show here. I am going to be responsible for frying the chicken, and hubby is going to be responsible for the waffles. Okay guys, so here I have some chicken wings, and I am going to begin seasoning them. The first thing I'm going to put on these chicken wings is some salt, black pepper. Cannot fry chicken without black pepper. It is just delicious on fried chicken. Cayenne pepper. Make sure I open on the right side. Lightly put that on there. And garlic powder. Very simple recipe. I'm going to just take the chicken and flip it over. I'm not going to disturb the seasoning on it or anything at this time. And repeat. Now what we're going to do is just take the chicken, because this chicken is damp. I'm going to go ahead on and blend the seasonings on it really well. I'm going to sprinkle some flour, just a little at first, just a little like that. And I'm going to take it and kind of just take that flour and rub it into the chicken until it disappears. Got that? Once the flour disappears on the chicken, I'm going to come back again. I'm going to take a lot of flour and dump it on it. And then I'm going to kind of toss it. Dust it like, just like that. See? Going to take our wings, tuck it behind the drumette part. See that? Do each one. We're going to dust that, shake that flour off. We're not going to put it in the grease with all that flour stuck to it. We're going to just shake it off like that. Good and dust it. And let's go to the frying pan. One of them being stubborn. But you're going in there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just stick my fried chicken in there. Make sure that your fire is nice and high. You can just use tongs. I see one of my legs, chicken wings, have already come loose. That's okay. They'll still cook just fine anyway. Remember I said shake that flour off. And now hubby is going to start his waffles.
Now while the chicken is frying, I'm going to make the waffles. I'm using this new thing I got. This is a waffle bowl maker. Now I'm just using a regular waffle mix that I just got. That's the spread. I'm going to fill it with waffle mix. Press it down. Wait 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, looks like one of the waffles are finished. I'm going to take it out. Put it on the plate. A nice little waffle bowl. Now, do the next one.
I'm going to start taking some of the chicken out, because some of it is done. And yes, I was being lazy by forcing it all up in there, but it's done. And I'm going to drain it over here. I have a few more pieces that I'm going to be taking out. Okay guys, so we got hubby's waffles right there in the waffle bowl and my chicken. Now it's time to put it all together, and we're going to actually just sit the chicken right here in the bowl. is your chicken and waffles. Enjoy.